Optimizing container selection with LoadMaster. How does LoadMaster help intelligently select a container type? In the process of calculating load plans, numerous factors come into play for container, or truck, or trailer selection. Traditionally, manual knowledge determines the best fit. But objective factors like COVID-related container shortages and rising shipping costs also influence decisions. Now, with LoadMaster's scientific optimization software, you can select container or truck or trailer types based on various criteria. First, the default rule: minimize the number of containers used. If products fit in 140HC, 220G piece won't be selected. Second, select containers in the same sequence as input container list. Helpful during COVID, ensuring products are loaded into available containers first. Third, minimize cost of containers used. Input container costs for cost-effective selection. Fourth, select containers or trucks or trailers with highest volume usage rate. 220G piece preferred over 140HC if both can accommodate goods. LoadMaster, empowering scientific container selection. Unlock optimization with LoadMaster. Contact us today.